Alright, so workbench editor enable preview controls whether open editors show as preview. Preview editors are reused until they are pinned via double click or editing and show up with an italic font style, like so. Right, so if we only do a single click on any of these files, we will be reusing this editor. So we will be closing the previous file and opening a new one, right? Now, if you set this to false, you'll be disabling the previews, which means that when you do a single click, you'll open new editors, one for each click that you do. Now, this sometimes you just want to do a quick look at your files, and you really just want to reuse the same editor. And it's really easy to open one file. Just double click it, or click it, make a change, or click it and double click the editor tab. Really easy. What I usually do is I double click the file and it opens an editor for me, and then I can still have that preview to check out other files. So I would rather leave this setting set to true. I think it's very practical.